What's up, online shoppers? I just got an awesome little 800 square foot dehumidifier for my laundry room. We'll unbox it and we'll see if it's gonna live up to my expectations. So this is the 800 square foot rated dehumidifier by NineSky. And it comes in two different colors, so you can get it either in gray, which is the one that I have, or in white. Now you get a nice little owner's manual with it, and ooh, I love it already. It has this awesome little grab handle, which makes it super easy to maneuver. This is the NineSky 95 ounce, 800 square foot rated dehumidifier for home. So this is really good for small spaces like closets, bathrooms, laundry rooms, anywhere where you might have an elevated level of humidity. The power for this is just a cord like this right here. So I just powered it up, and that little beep you heard and the light flash is telling you that this has been powered on. The intake for this is at the back of the unit, right here, like there. And the output is right here in this venting along the sides. There's this really awesome grab handle at the back. And for me, that's so convenient. That makes this lovely already. Now at the back here is the receptacle for your water, and there's a nice little finger ledge that you can use to pull this out in a nice controlled motion. So there is your water container. It has a lid on it, and this is a little finger hole for grabbing it off easy, but I want to show you something really cool. On the underside here, it has a float. When the water reaches, it is going to move up like this, and as soon as this little lever depresses, that's going to be the auto shut off for your dehumidifier. Because who wants to have water all over the floor because you missed shutting off your dehumidifier when it was full? Now, I really like this little receptacle. I'm going to have an easy time cleaning this, and that's a plus for me. Now that beep tells you that you put the bin back in properly. If you didn't hear the beep, it's not properly installed. This actually has a style element to it as well. First of all, I love the smooth contour at the front here, and it's a really simple operation. There's no remote control with this. It really just is one of 3 buttons that you can touch. So it's a touch interface, and at the top here is the power. Now the flashing light here is telling us that we haven't powered it up yet, but that it is plugged in. The second light here is a light bulb, and that's your control of the lighting element that's in here. Up inside here are a couple little LED lights, and they will cycle through red, purple, green, yellow, orange, a whole host of colors, and you can actually pick the mode. You can ask it to just cycle through the colors, it'll kind of breathe and pulse a little bit, or you can set it solid for one color. That's a pretty cool feature as well. And then on the bottom here, the little moon, that is the night setting. And when this is operating at full power, it is a little bit noisy, but when you want a quiet setting for your room, this one right here, the night setting, drops the noise to under 30 decibels, which is kind of like the white noise machines that people put in their bedrooms to help them sleep. So this actually serves a 2-for-1 purpose. You've got a dehumidifier and you have a white noise machine. That's also a plus. Let's turn it on. Now that is the machine going at top power. I can feel the air output on my skin, and it is going to be removing the humidity in the air, which is going to make it a lot more comfortable. Now when you press the night mode, it gradually gets quiet. There isn't a really significant drop off. And let's take a look at the light feature right here. So when you press this little button here, nothing happens when you have it in night mode. You have to go back to the full power mode, and that's going to shut it off. So we're on full power mode. Now I can show you the feature of the light. So this little button here, press it on, and you should start to see lights down below here. When you have it on a light setting, it's going to remember it when it shuts off, and then it turns back on again. So if you like the light just pulsing and going through all the 7 colors, red, green, purple, yellow, orange, blue, it'll do that. And you might be able to see it down here, moving through the light cycles. If you like a particular color and you want to stay on it, like say purple or yellow, then all you have to do is press the light button again and it will freeze at that particular light. If you have your dehumidifier run so long that the tank actually fills up, it's going to do two things to alert you to the fact that you need to empty your tank. The first thing it's going to do is it's going to beep. That's your audio clue that you need to empty out your tank. But the other thing that it's going to do is in here, the lights that have been cycling through and flashing, they're going to say a solid red. That is your visual cue that you need to empty the dehumidifier. In order to operate at the most efficient level, this little dehumidifier has semiconductor condensation technology, and that helps it to run really efficiently at the same time as really quietly. This is the top power mode, and I'm not having any trouble talking over top of it, so it's running efficiently and it is also not all that loud. This is a really nice compact little size. It's going to be ideal for my laundry room, which is where I bought it. You know, when you're drying clothes, it tends to get a little bit extra humid in the air, and I thought this would be a great fit for that problem. If you are looking for a really nice little dehumidifier, this one here by NineSky is rated for rooms that are 800 square feet or smaller. It will remove 95 ounces of water from the air about every day, and all you'll need to do is empty it and press reset and let it go. And one more thing I forgot to mention to you, at the back you can actually pipe this right into a drain. There is a little peg right here that you can take out and replace with a drain pipe, and then this can go directly into a drain, so you don't ever have to worry about emptying this little receptacle, because the water will be piped right out of the dehumidifier and into the waiting drain. All of those things make this such a convenient little machine. I think it's going to be a really great fit in my laundry room, and I'm certain it's going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.